people actually spend quite a lot of money on toys for their birds. And actually, our Tango's favorite toy is a piece of cardboard. Hello, Aqua Puppy. And Tango actually has made some pretty good replicas of the Stanley Cup. Let me just pick this back up for him. This one is not turning into a Stanley Cup, but this is Parrot art. Oh, look at that. He's gone through this one pretty good. Oh, flying cardboard. Tango and his cardboard. This is actually the games my husband plays with him. But I thought I would try it this afternoon. Did you want to play Battle Parrot? Battle Parrot Tango! It is showing up. Tango! Oh, he just wants to look pretty. What a vain little bird. You just want to look pretty instead of playing Battle Parrot with me. What the heck? What's she doing? There we go. Okay, here we go. Back to Battle Parrot. Take a bite. Take a bite. Yum, 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 yum. There we go. He's being very artistic. Oh, that's a nice little piece. Sometimes when he holds those in his beak, it looks like a little mustache. Okay, well that should be, hold on, yeah, there we go. Oh, hold it in, let me see, mustache. Oh, Tango's mustache. Okay, go back to preening. There you are. There you are. Pretty boy, pretty boy. Little pretty boy. Thank you for watching.